Hello students, today we will be doing the lab session which is given on page number 35. Alright, so that you can understand how you have to do this lab activity. Now I'll go one by one. I want that everyone should open page number 35, my activity. Now, what does the first bullet says? The first bullet says, draw a table with 7 columns and 9 rows in it by selecting the insert table option. As you can see on your screen that Microsoft Word is already open. So what I will do, I will put my mouse pointer on the insert tab. I'll go to the tables group. In the tables group, I'll go to the table button. A drop down arrow is there. Click on the drop down arrow and now click on insert table option. You can see that an insert table dialog box has opened. Now they're asking for number of columns. How many number of columns is in the book is given? It's given 7. So I'll type 7. And how many number of rows is given? It says 9. Right? Number of columns 7 and number of rows 9. Now click on OK button. Now you can see on your screen a table has been created with 7 columns and 9 rows. All right. Now what does the second bullet says? Click in the first column. Now this column is it's a mistake word. It should be row. Click in the first row, merge the cells and type the heading progress report. Now, as it says column. Now let me do it column for you. I'll tell you how is it a mistake. I've selected the first column. Click in the first column. I've selected the first column. Now it says merge. I'll click on the merge cells. You can see. All right. The first column has been merged, but at this I don't want. I want as per the book, I want the first row to be merged. So I'll just press Ctrl plus Z. All right. Now what I will do, I will select the first row, then click on merge cells. The cell has been merged. Now what it says, merge the cells and type the heading progress report. Now with caps lock open, with caps lock on, I will type progress report. Okay, as shown in the figure, align it to the center of the table and press the enter key. Now I will select this progress report and this is align center. I'll click on center alignment. Okay, and press the enter. Sorry. All right. Now click in the second cell and type roll number. Roll number. Then next is press the tab key and type name. Name. Likewise, press the tab key and enter other field names as it is given in the book. Next is computer. Next is maths. Then you have Hindi. English. And last is total. All right. Now, what does the next bullet says? Enter rest of the data given in the table. Now, in the roll number, I'll type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Name. Let's take it anything. Shyam. Amishi. Rahul. Atharv, Priyanka, Gurmeet, Shashank. Right? Now let's type the numbers. Anything I can type. Now let's type the numbers in Hindi. 58, 45, 87, 76, 98, 67, 69. Now let's come to English. 74, 75, 76, 89, 94, 95, 87. Alright. Now this is how you will fill the entries in all the table. Now, what does the fifth bullet says? Place the pointer in the first cell of the total column. Now place the pointer on the first cell of the total. Okay. Click on the formula button. Click on the formula button in the data group of the layout tab. Okay. You will notice that the marks gets calculated in the total column. Similarly, calculate the total marks of the other students. Okay. Now, as you can see on your screen, let's keep it this way so that you will be able to see. Okay. Now, I want the total of Shyam, the total marks of Shyam in all these subjects: computer, maths, Hindi and English. So I have already put my mouse pointer in the total. Then I have clicked on the formula button. The formula dialog box has opened. You can see already the formula is printed over here. Equals to sum left. That means on the left hand side there are the numbers 74 plus 58 plus 86 plus 89. Click on OK. 307. Similarly, we will do the calculations of other students as well, but here I will not do above. I will write left only, otherwise it will copy the same marks. Left. Okay, again click formula. Now again erase above, type left in capital letter. Click on OK. 286. Then Atharv's marks. Formula. Again, erase above. Left. Enter. 285. Then click on Priyanka's total. Formula. Erase above. Type left. OK. 359. Then I want Gurmeet's total. Formula. Again, erase above. Type left. Enter. 304. Then the last one, Shashank. Click on formula. Erase above. Type left. Enter. You can see on your screen the total marks of each student. Okay. Now select the table. Okay. How to select? You have to click on this table handle. Select the table. What does the sixth bullet says? Select the table. Click on the borders button. Drop down arrow. Now where will I find this borders button? For that I have to click on the design tab. Then in the table styles group we have this borders button. Alright. Click on the borders button drop down arrow and select borders and shading option. Where is borders and shading? At the bottom. Borders and shading. This borders and shading dialog box has opened. Now from here I can select the style, I can select the color and the width of the line. let it make it simple, or if you want I can take anything, and I'll click on the all. Okay, let it be all. Okay, I can take any lines. See, there are so many designs are there. That entirely depends on your choice, but I'll make it simple. I'll select this one. Color. Let's take something beautiful color. From here you can choose any other color also. Okay, from here from more colors you can take, but let's make it simple. Red is prominent. Width, I can little darker I want. Okay. Okay, can you see the changes? Yes. Now in the same way you can do the shading also. How? Select the table, go to the design tab, shading, drop down, and from here you can choose the shading. Red color, the border is, see, any color, but I'll make it little lighter so that it's prominent. This shading. Okay, select the rows and columns of the table. Let me select the rows and columns. Okay, select the rows and columns of the table. Okay, and click on the distribute rows, distribute columns button in the cell size group. Where is cell size? Go to the layout, cell size group, distribute rows. You can see the changes. All right. Now, what does the second last bullet says? It says insert a column between the maths and Hindi column. Okay, insert a column between the maths and Hindi column by selecting the layout tab under the table tools and click on the insert left button. Now I have to add another cell, but I have already merged this one. So I'll do one thing first. I will I have to add another cell. Click on the layout, insert left. You can see another cell, another column has been added. Now here what I will do, I will type science. NCE. Merge this one. Science. Okay. Now type science in the first cell of a new column, enter marks for each student and update the total and save the file. Again we'll enter the marks 85, 87, 86, 89, 84, 88, 86, sorry, 88. Now since the new entries has been made, obviously I have to make the changes in it. I have to update the total. So what I will do, I will select the cell. Okay, I will select the numbers. Click on formula. Okay, 392. Again, select, click on formula. Okay, I'm not doing, I can also press F9, but I don't know, there is some problem in my laptop. This F9 key is not working. If in your laptop the F9 key is working, you can make the updations by pressing the F9 key also. What you need to do is, you need to put the pointer in that particular cell and press F9 key from the keyboard. Okay, But since I cannot do that, the F9 key is not working over here. So what I'm doing, I'm clicking on the cell, click on formula. Already the formula is printed. Click on OK. 372. The next is 285. Formula. OK. 374. Again 359. Formula. OK. 443. Again put the mouse pointer in 304. Formula. Then OK. 276. Formula. And then again OK. This is how you have to make the report, the progress report of which is given in your computer textbook. Now children, I want that you all should do the practice of same progress report in your PC as well. And you have to send me the screenshot of this particular progress report. Once I will let you know when. So children, take care and have a nice day.